Hi everyone, can yoga compete with other fast forms of exercises like HIIT and cardio? Of course it can. Yoga is not just associated with slow forms of attaining postures, but also burn calories and boost your stamina. Here's where power yoga comes in. Today I'm here with a very interesting and hot topic for you, which is power yoga. We will discuss all things power yoga in this video and I'll demonstrate a short sequence as well. Now, if you've been to a gym or a yoga studio near you, you may have noticed in today's time a lot of people are practicing power yoga. What exactly is power yoga? Any form of yoga, be it Ashtang, Bikram, Vinyasa, when it is practiced at a quicker pace, it takes the form of power yoga. So today I'm going to be discussing the benefits and also taking you through a power yoga sequence. Now, as the name suggests, power yoga is extremely fast paced, which is why it helps in improving your stamina and also increases your strength. Research has shown that a power yoga session can raise and sustain your heart rates. Getting your heart rate up during exercise helps your body to circulate the blood and oxygen to your muscles, and in turn this can help you improve your fitness, stamina and overall health. If you have been to a power yoga class before, you may have noticed that in less than 5 minutes of practicing, you're already sweating. Twists, inversions, forward folds, back bends, you name it, and a power yoga class is fully packed with all kinds of asanas. You begin to sweat and release the toxins out of your body. The next time you're feeling a little sluggish, put on your yoga pants, hit the studio and feel amazing after sweating it all out. I'm going to now show you a quick power yoga sequence that you can try in the comfort of your own home as long as you have a yoga mat. To begin your power yoga sequence, you're going to meet me at the start of your mat, Sthit Prarthanasana, hands to your heart. As you inhale, you're going to take your arms up, shift your hips down, sitting into your Utkatasana chair pose. As you breathe here, sink your hips as low as you can. As you exhale, straighten your legs, fold forward. Inhale for your halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold forward. You can either step or jump to plank. From here, let's take our Chaturanga, which is very popular in your Vinyasa flows. It's your halfway lift push-up. You're going to inhale into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Tuck your toes, exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg goes up for your three-legged dog. Press your foot between your palms. Inhale, coming into first warrior Veerbhadrasana 1. From Veerbhadrasana 1, you're going to come into your warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2. Exhale, take both your palms down. Once again coming into your plank. Take your Chaturanga flow. Inhale for your Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg steps forward, left leg steps forward. Inhale for that halfway lift. Exhale to fold forward. Inhale, sit into your chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, hands to your chest. We're going to repeat the same thing, starting with the left leg this time. You may repeat this on each side about 4 times and just notice how you feel. Notice your heart rate, your breath, that sweat on your skin, the pumping of your lungs. Now, unlike a yin yoga practice, power yoga is definitely not meditative as you're constantly moving from one posture to another, one breath, one count. However, research has shown that moving at a fast pace in some forms of yoga such as power yoga reduces the stress hormone in your body. Studies also suggest that in one session of power yoga, you may already see a noticeable reduction in your stress levels. I hope you have a detailed understanding of what power yoga is like and what its benefits are. It's important to know that power yoga may or may not be for you. If you're comfortable with an intense yoga workout, you may try it out. If not, there are other forms of yoga to serve you. No matter what form they're in, yoga is here for you. So do what's best, do what's as per your comfort level, as per your intensity. I hope this video was helpful. Inculcate these asanas into your daily life to reap its benefits. Until then, namaste and goodbye.